Welcome back everybody to the KS Moto Cafe. You'll notice something different today. I got a new camera. Yeah, like I promised on my last episode, I got myself a GoPro 8. So let's cue the intro and then we'll talk about it. Now what I'm using right now is like a super wide view that this GoPro has. It's on a 2K format right now instead of 1080p, and I'm sure I'll notice after post-production of editing, but I can already tell you from my quick test shots that I did at home, it's gonna be so much better. So once I figure out the power of the GoPro here, I'll do an in-depth review like I do everything else, and what it's like to actually ride or do a motovlog on a GoPro, and do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison to my 8-man A87, which was a knockoff to the GoPro. So one thing I wanted to talk about today, it's something that I got after having this bike. People warned me about it. But yeah, I'm starting to gain that Harley weight.
Whoa! Looks like you're having trouble breathing while tying your shoes. Well, I don't want to alarm you, but you're probably getting fat.
So ever since I got my motorcycle, I have steadily increasing on my weight. And it's probably because I'm doing less and less of walking and just more sitting on a motorcycle. I intend to not follow that stereotype, and I will go for more exercise to drop my weight again. But yeah, this the Harley weight is real, guys. It's real. If you have a Harley or a motorcycle and you gained weight since buying your bike or since you started riding, put your comments below, because I'm sure I'm not the only one. With that said, one of the things I'm very excited about with especially this camera setup is the sound quality. So I was following one of the YouTubers that uses the GoPro 6, and he just had a really good sound quality just from his stock GoPro, where from watching his video I couldn't really hear the wind noise. All I can hear is the engine noise. So I'll give you a clip of what the camera sounds like on the GoPro without doing any editing or adjustments to the sound itself. Now if the GoPro footage turns out the way I want it to turn out, which I think I have confidence for, next thing that's in the agenda for upgrade on recording device is the Purple Panda lapel mic. As much as I wanted to use my makeshift DIY Dead Cat microphone, I've been noticing that because it's a cheap microphone that I purchased from Amazon, the audio keeps clipping when I'm shouting into the mic. And I'm only shouting because I don't think while I'm riding, when the wind noise is in my helmet, it's just a natural instinct for me to speak louder than I usually do. And right now I've been recording pretty much recording volume of 1 out of 100 on the test cam. So if it clips like that, then obviously it's the microphone that is doing a shitty job. So seems that every moto vloggers have recommended this Purple Panda mic, so it should be shipping in maybe in a week or two. Because it's coming from the stateside, obviously customs take a little bit longer for it to reach to me in Canada. But once I have that set up, I guess I should be all good to go. And if that is still shitty, then obviously it's my helmet. Hobbies, eh? Just keeps on racking up on the money expenditure. There's a lot of wind right now, so I'm curious to see if the GoPro picks up any of this wind noise. And if it doesn't, that'll be amazing. And I know there is like a windsock that comes with it too if you purchase it online. But I don't intend to purchase that yet, because I'm pretty happy with what I got right now so far. So the next couple videos I'll be talking about my own personal experience of what vlogging is like, especially on YouTube, and the efforts that it takes to try to get viewers, and why I started vlogging. So until next time, peace.